Okay, Crystal's taking us on a tour of the Bay Point Park area. How long is your tour gonna last? How long?
I don't know.
All right.
Singing.
So you don't know how long the tour's gonna last, but I can tell you, probably won't be too long, because we're on a dead-end street. We rode down there before. Yep, that's a cool thing. Couple concrete blocks over there. Oh. Yeah, Bay Point's kind of cool. Right by Baby's Coffee. Look at all the doves.
Hey, bird, what's the word?
Hey bird, what's the word? Oh, there's some chickens. Howdy, chick,
Nobody
chick,
here
chick.
but us chickens.
Yeah, like 4 of them.
Chicken hawk.
That's what they need down there is a chicken hawk. Look, dude's got a tiki over his motorhome. That's kind of cool. I may have to actually take a picture of that.
Look, they got a cat.
Oh, are we hitting the end of the road, end of the tour?
Yeah, I like the tires.
Oh, no, it's still going. The tour continues. Whoa, about hit a big old bump. Wow. Yeah, this goes back a lot further than I remember. This would be the end of the road. Kayak Beach. GoPro, stop recording.